guys I was gonna get another vending machine. Tell us to the camera. You have some gumball machines back there some dude never takes care of?
Yeah.
And you're gonna give them to me, right?
No.
Why? Well,
I have to see who is it first.
find out. I'll buy them.
I don't know. I want to make sure that it's the guys or not.
Well, fine. If he hasn't been here for 2 years, man, then that's his fault. Dude, I need these machines, you guys. Oh, come on, Frankie. Bro, if I could score on those.
See, Jimmy, what he says, okay? If you get
All right, guys, check it out. So, it's been a couple days going on here, but I've been talking to this guy. He lives pretty far away, but dude, I'm gonna get some more machines. I found an ad on Marketplace, and I told him, you know, I'm interested, blah blah blah. Wasn't sure it was gonna work out, but we've been keeping in touch over the last few days because he was in like a hurry to sell, which is good for me, right? So he was in a hurry to sell, and what was he saying? Oh yeah, so I stayed on him. I kept like staying in touch. The main thing was like he wanted me to come like the same day that I contacted him, but I was like, you know, unfortunately, I can't come. Blah blah blah. I can come this day because I'm actually going up near to where he lived. Here, let me show you. Here's the machines right here. They're V-line. I like the way they look. They're clean. I don't know anything about candy machines, but we're gonna find out. YouTube University, baby. We're gonna go to Rio Oso today, guys, and pick up a machine. Actually, I gotta unload this first. Okay, that's good enough. It's not empty, but that'll work. Wild Bills, guns, ammo, and beer signs. Hey, look, there's the post office. We're out in the boonies, guys. How you doing, Rusty? Okay, geez, you guys were kind of hard to find there.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Google didn't even know where you guys were exactly.
No, it's always off.
So how you doing? My name's Tim.
Nice
to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
That's the driveway right through the house. Gwen's up there waiting for you.
Okay.
She's actually the one you've been talking to.
Oh, okay.
It's her machine, so.
All right, right on.
All right, I'm gonna walk right back up there.
Hey, I got a little, I do a little vlog. Do you guys mind if I record us kind of doing this?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, right on. All right, cool.
With me.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Cool.
I want to see if I can talk them down. If I can get 5 machines for $200, you guys, I think that's a pretty good deal. So let's see what we can do. Hello? Is your name Gwen? Hi, I'm Tim. Nice to meet you. Geez, Google, yeah, Google didn't even know where you guys were at exactly. Yeah. Or like I don't have enough to really buy any more full line machines at the moment, so I was looking into candy machines like this.
15 of these.
I know, I wish I had the money to buy all of them. I really do. I mean, I might come back. I don't.
Well, we moved, but my parents live here, so my dad he'll be around if you want. And we have Pepsi machines.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, it's for sale.
What kind of machine is it? Oh, I see. It's over there.
Yeah, in fact, there's 2 machines.
Okay.
I'll throw in the other one for free.
Really? Okay. What are you asking for the Pepsi machines?
Well, he's asking 500, but we'll make a deal on that one.
Okay. So you guys were thinking about starting a little vending business?
Oh no, I had a business.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I had these in stores. Well, some of them are brand new, and I had them out.
How'd you like it?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah, but I got married a year ago and we moved, so just.
Okay, cool. So coin drawer here. Yeah, they look real clean, real nice. I like them. So would you be willing to do 5 for 200? And I'll tell you, to be honest with you, I will be back. I definitely want to grow. You know, I want to start. We're starting kind of small, and I definitely want to get more going. You know.
He wants to know if we're giving 5 for 200.
That's $48 a piece, right?
It's about $40 a piece.
$40 a piece.
Okay.
Well, it's fine with me. I want rid of this thing.
Yeah, we moved and they're in my dad's
Storage, yeah.
And he's wanting to clean things up because
Okay.
So we'll make you a deal because we do want them. We want them.
Okay, yeah, and like I said, I got a small paint business that I run too, and I got a couple jobs I'm about to wrap up. So once I wrap those up, pay the bills, whatever I have left, I'm just putting into this business. So, because I'm getting tired of painting.
Yeah.
Well, we're taking them off.
Yeah, the only thing I would be concerned about is the just kind of seeing what kind of motherboard is on the inside.
Let me go see if I can find it.
Yeah, if we can get inside, that'd be super cool.
And they're all universal anyway, so you don't really, you don't need a whole bunch.
Got the keys. Okay, cool.
I just counted up. There's 8 machines left.
There's 8, and then there's a couple with parts.
Dude. Man, I didn't bring like any blankets or anything. They're gonna get all jacked up. I'm gonna have to try to fit as many as I can inside the cab, inside of here, because that's what I get. That's what I get for getting excited about stuff. I'm gonna pull over here and load these suckers up. So I think I'm gonna put them in the back seat as much as I can. They're so pretty. I don't want to mess. I didn't really think ahead. Dude, you guys, super cool people. They got like 9 more machines. I told them I'm definitely interested. They actually took them offline for me. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? There he is, look. What? So yeah, dude, they said they're gonna hang on to him for me, and they actually got 2 soda machines. To be honest with you, I don't think I'm interested in the soda machines. I don't know, it looked pretty old. I don't know, I'm gonna have to reach out for some help in the YouTube world and see what everybody suggests. But I gotta use my maps to get home because I have no clue where we're at. Are you speeding up? Oh, dude, all the wind. Oh, God. There he goes. Oh, so much dust. Where'd he go? There he is. Can't really see him. He's way out there. There comes the other one. All right, dude. So we're back. We got these machines. I've had about an hour and a half to ride with these guys. Think about where I'm gonna put them. I'm gonna take them apart and start cleaning them, and we'll see. All right, you guys. So once again, thanks for hanging out with me. Today was a fun day, and we're gonna keep growing and keep expanding. We're on our way to try to get 500 subscribers. So if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, as we got a lot more vending machine videos and pitch videos now. Hey, I can start doing pitch videos again. How about that? Hey, all right, you guys. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. See you in the next video.